class. Welcome to the Humanistic Personality Analysis assignment. So this is a PowerPoint presentation that you're going to prepare for. It's actually a pretty fun one. I know the directions look like a lot, but really you're taking what you've learned throughout this week regarding Rogers, Maslow, and you're applying it to something in everyday life. Okay. So, for instance, you want to make sure that you are choosing a person to analyze. It can be a historical figure, a person, famous person, or even a fictional character from the book or other media. Okay. You could pick something, someone. All right. Doesn't have to be somebody that I know. Okay. It could be somebody out there um, that maybe I never heard of, but I can actually check up on to actually make sure there's some accuracy. Okay, do not choose yourself. Okay, do not choose a person you know that's not researchable. So someone might want to do something on their brother. There's no way for me to look up your brother to verify. It's got to be somebody to analyze that I could actually also verify as well. Okay, so that's why it says historical figure, famous person, celebrity, musician, politician, fictional character from a book, or other media. Okay, it's very, very specific. All right, and then you're going to analyze that person. All right, describe this person's personality in detail using language and concepts from the humanistic perspective. So you have to cite, you have to use a humanistic perspective. Okay, all right, and you can use this stuff that's found in the study material too. All right, or anything that I post. I posted some links in there to some videos. If you want to use those, be go for it. Okay, go for it. All right. So now, make sure that you're following the directions very carefully. All right. That you got 10 to 12 slides. All right. And that there's a reference slide. Okay. So do not use websites. Do not go online and use websites. Repeat, do not use websites. Do not go to Wikipedia. Do not go to any website whatsoever. You are in Psych 255, you're an academic scholar, you are to use a GCU library or use the study material or both. Okay? Make sure that you have the presenter notes. All right? Make sure you have no paragraph writing. Keep it clean like this. All right? And I said before, if you want to use this as your template, you can. All right? Because I want you to make sure that you are using things nice and snug. All right? There's no paragraph writing. There's nothing like that. You could do paragraphs in here. All right? You can write. Make sure you are watching this tutorial and that you are even including a reference page. All right? And that you're actually using just bullet points. All right? So make sure you're doing that. If you have any questions, please let me know. But it's very important you follow these directions. All right, and make sure you are following that. And remember that this tutorial doesn't replace the reading of the directions. You still got to read through the directions. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know.